Hi, Double D. Maraming salamat sa lahat ng tulong at suporta niyo sa amin ni Yorme at ng Yorme Shows. Dito lang kami palagi sa gilid.
Thank you po.
Baka mami, ano tawag niyo sa mga babae? Ano, sunspot ba tawag daw? Plasma? Pelasma? Melasma? Melasma sa Gedli, bandang nangka. But again, thank you very much to Shanghai. Palakpakan natin sila. Talagang mabiyaya ang ating linggo. At ngayon ay na-score, siyempre, hindi naman po pwede. Bumiyahe pa to ng 8 oras para makasama natin dito sa ating flag ceremony. And I'm honored that, ang Ilocos Norte ay isa sa mga probinsyang matatagumpay. I was there, I saw it, good for them. I'm happy for them. But today, I'm happy also to receive people from Ilocos to experience and deal with the people of Manila. Lalong-lalo na, nandito yung ating mga institutional partner. Pwedeng tumingin na mamaya. Diamond Hotel, Gilbert Paño, Sarina Sarmiento, Justin Mendoza, Danilo de la Cruz, Aviary Cafe, Mr. Larry C., Cafe 1919, ito maraming branch to. Yung Cafe 1919, ano to? Yung masarap ang tinapay nito. At saka mahilig to sa, sarap yung sisig to. Sarap yun eh. Saka yung bangus ko na, may kamatis, sibuyas. Masarap yun sa 1919. Eden Fritz Castromero and Almer Taño. Bayview Park Hotel, Eugene Yap, Leslie Gonzalez, Rosana Roas. O sana makapamili kayo ng mga paninda na galing sa Ilocos Norte. But for now, I would like to welcome and give him a warm welcome to speak before us, to greet us, Vice Governor Matthew Marcos Manotoc.
Maraming salamat po. Magandang umaga po sa ating mga Ilocano. Diyos tiyag nina na magabigat. Sa ating mga Bisaya, daghang salamat. Tama ba, Jamie? Unang-una po, I'd like to thank, of course, ang haba po ng pangalan, but let's just say Yorme Isko. And of course, Vice Mayor Chi Atienza, Senator Joey Lina, my friend, the talented singer Crystal Bagatsing, my PGIN family, all of my kakailian from Ilocos Norte, sa lahat ng ating kasama sa City Hall. Once again, a very good morning to all of you, and thank you for joining us this morning. Though I know you're not here for me, you're here for Yorme. And of course, my only and better half, Jamie Harrell, thank you for accompanying me. Sa mga marunong magbisaya, siya po ay isang Bisaya. Hindi siya mukhang Bisaya, but i-testing nyo, kaya yan. First and foremost, I'd like to thank each and everyone who has made this P2C possible. I recall, Yorme, I visited you on October 15 to beg and request that you welcome us dito po sa ating City Hall. And you were so proud to tell me that you are original KB. And your mother was a loyalist, and you were there when President Marcos Sr. returned. I was not there. I was born po in 1988. Yorme and I are of different generations, but we see eye to eye. Manila is truly lucky to have Yorme Isko. We need more leaders like Yorme, a self-made man who has improved so much, yet dreams to do so much more for Manileños. Someone like me who believes strongly in the importance of good governance and real action. Bilis kilos, hindi bilis salita. Tama po? In 2025, Isko ran on the campaign slogan, "Let's make Manila great again." Does that sound familiar? Yorme, we don't forget these things and we deeply appreciate you. Kahapon lang po, kasama ko si PBBM. Sabi ko po sa kanya, i-meet ko po si Yorme Isko bukas. Sabi niya, alam mo, magaling siya, epektibo. Pag may ini-implement sa Metro Manila, palagi daw nauuna ang City of Manila. In this sad era of flood control, allow me to conclude on a quote of our shared idol, Lee Kuan Yew. The moment key leaders are allowed to get away with corruption, the moral authority of the government is gone. We need strong and moral leaders now more than ever. And we are reminded that the power of government does not lie in the person, with all due respect, Yorme. It does not lie in the office. It lies in you, and your vote, and your trust. To our dearest Manileños, thank you. With every purchase you make here at RP2C, you are directly helping our Ilocano farmers. Hands that have toiled for centuries harvesting high-quality crops. Sa amin po, walang shortcut. We farm the right way, the old school way. We can guarantee the quality, and if not, ako na po bahala. Ako na po ang mag-exchange or mag-reimburse kung may reklamo po. We also hope to welcome all of you to Ilocos Norte. Please, please, come visit Ilocos Norte. Yorme, baka gusto po nila mag-team building sa South Beach, Pagudpud. Bias po ako, but as I always say, only in Ilocos Norte can you get a slice of Dubai in our sand dunes, a slice of Boracay in Pagudpud, and a slice of Baguio in Solsona, Apayao. Come enjoy all the sights, all the empanada, longanisa, and bagnet. This is not an empty invite. Please, please come visit Ilocos Norte. We will show you the very hospitality that you have shown us this morning. We wish the City of Manila, and most importantly, all Manileños, only the very best. May God bless the City of Manila, and may God bless each and every Manileño. Maraming salamat po.
Sa mga nangangarap na dalaga dyan, di na po binata si Vice Governor. Mapapasana all ka na lang, my girlfriend. So palakpakan ulit natin, no, ang ating minamahal na mangyari in return to Vice Governor sa invitation matapos lang tong EO 110. Tingin ko naman winding up, hopefully nga katulad ng panalangin kanina noong ating nagdasal, magtino na yung sitwasyon sa Iran at saka Amerika, or what you call Middle East crisis. After that, pagka pahupanan lahat, sasabihin nyo, ayan, I authorize all your department head, magkanda kayo ng mga training seminar. Excited yan kasi lahat decline eh. Opo, dinecline ko lahat ang mga hanggat maaari. Yung mga request, in fairness naman sa inyong mga director, nag-request naman talaga kasi it's summer. But having said that, with regard to EO 110, we need to follow some measures and trying to be sensitive with the current situation for our people. But sabi nga, good things come to those who wait. Lalong-lalo na, anong petsa na ngayon? Ha? A4. Ilang tulog na lang. Jollibee na naman. I have something for you. Don't worry. But again, umupa lang to. Yes, we'll go. We'll go to Pagudpod. You should see Pagudpod. Kinukwento ko kay Vice Governor nung medyo binat pa ako. Dinadrive ko yun nung araw. Kasi usong-uso nung 90s yung magdadrive ako hanggang... Ayun, those are the days. But again, thank you very much. Mga tabs, mga batang City Hall, Bagnet, Empanada, Sibuyas. Ako, hinahanap ko dyan yung pinakurat, saka yung sibuyas, saka yung bagnet. Bibigay ko kay Ian Nieva. Para dumiretso na. Dire-diretso na, Ian. Hindi ka na mahirapan. Pampaliwanag ng bahay. Muli sa inyo lahat, it's another week for us to be of service to the people. And always bear in mind and in your heart, many are called, but few are chosen. You were given a chance to be of service to our people, so excel from it. Sayang yung pagkakataon makapaglingkod tayo sa ating mga kababayan. Ang dalangin ko ay manatili kayong malusog ngayong linggong to. Uminom kayo lagi ng maraming tubig. Ingatan ang inyong sarili. Bukod sa pagmamalasakit sa inyong sarili, para nyo na rin pinagmalasakitan ang inyong mga mahal sa buhay. Take care of yourself. Plus, to top it all, I need each and every one of you. I cannot do this alone. Kailangan ko kayo upang maging epesyente tayo makapaglingkod sa ating mga kababayan sa lungsod ng Maynila. Muli, magandang araw. Pagpalain nawa kayo ng Hong May Kapal. Manila! God first. Thank you.